how to log into your GrabFood account step by step. So it's like very easy. First of all, what you're gonna do is simply get that GrabFood application through your app store or your Play Store and get into the application, or you can simply get into food.grab.com if you want to get into the browser, and then from here you can simply tap on login or sign up button on the top right. If you're on the application, you'll be able to get that sign in or login button on the very beginning. Tap on that login button, then get into the login page just like this. From here, all you need to do is simply add in the mobile number of your From here, what you're going to do is simply add in the mobile number right here, and when you tap on continue, you'll actually be able to get a OTP on your account, and then all you need to do is add in that OTP and you'll successfully be able to log into your account. But if you have used any of those platforms like your Google ID, Facebook ID, or your Apple ID to create your account, then you can simply tap on them, and then from there you'll be able to log into your GrabFood account like that. So yeah, that's it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.